everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to download Trust Wallet on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To download Trust Wallet on iPhone, go to your App Store. Once you open your App Store, go to the search button at the bottom right. Now, in the search box, type in Trust Wallet and search. As soon as you find the application, simply tap on the Get button and download the application on your device. Once the download is done, you'll be able to find the application on your app drawer. That is how you can easily download Trust Wallet on your iPhone.
Now let's jump right into the video. In order to log into your Trust Wallet account on your iPhone, first make sure that you've downloaded the application, of course. Tap open your App Store and get it downloaded if you don't have it yet. Go to your Play Store and get the app downloaded first, and once you have it, tap it open. The very first interface of Trust Wallet will look like this. You can go ahead and create a new wallet by tapping on the first option that says create a new wallet, or you can log into an existing wallet by tapping on I already have a wallet. On the next page, select multi-coin wallet option at the very top and type in the recovery phrases in the text box. Make sure that your recovery phrases is typed in the correct order, and finally tap on import right at the bottom of the screen. Soon after you have your information correct, your wallet will be successfully imported, which means you have successfully logged in to your Trust Wallet using your iPhone. In order to deposit money into Trust Wallet, tap open your Trust Wallet app. Make sure that you're logged in and are in the home page of Trust Wallet. In order to deposit money into Trust Wallet, either you can receive crypto from someone else or you need to start buying. Tap on the buy button at the very top of the screen right under main wallet, and you'll be able to see all of the cryptos that you can buy in the list. Select a token that you'd like to deposit and give it a tap. Enter the amount that you want to deposit by typing with the help of the keypad on the display. Now, select the third-party provider right beneath and choose one of the providers that has the best rate of Bitcoin or any other crypto that you are trying to purchase. Finally, tap the next button at the bottom of the page and this will take you to a new page. In this page, you can simply tap on the Buy Now button at the bottom of the page and you'll be able to deposit or add money on Trust Wallet. It's pretty easy to buy BNB on Trust Wallet. Start off by tapping open your Trust Wallet application from your app drawer and make sure you're logged into it. Once you are, from the main home page, tap the Buy button at the top of the screen and select BNB from the assets displayed on the screen. Type in the amount of BNB that you'd like to purchase. Once you type in your amount, you'll need to go ahead and select your third-party provider. Tap on MoonPay and select whether MoonPay or Simplex that you would like to purchase with. Now, tap on the next button at the bottom of the screen, which will take you to a new tab. Enter your email information into the text box. Tap on Continue at the bottom. On the next page, type in the verification code that has been sent to your email address in the text box. Finally, tap the Continue button beneath and follow the on-screen prompts on the next page in order to buy BNB on Trust Wallet. If you are done using your Trust Wallet application for the day and you'd like to log out of it, then let me show you how. Let me first open my Trust Wallet application and make sure you are into your home page. From the main home page of Trust Wallet, in order to log out of it, tap on the Settings button at the lower right-hand corner. This will open up your settings menu. Tap on the Wallets option at the top and right where it says Main Wallet, tap on the Info button. This will take you to this page over here. Before logging out of your Trust Wallet account, first make sure that you back up your recovery phrase. Tap on Show Recovery Phrase and tap on I understand the risk. Tap Continue and on the next page, your recovery phrase will be displayed. If you log out of your Trust Wallet without copying those recovery phrases, you won't be able to get back into the wallet again. You'll lose your funds and won't be able to access to your wallet. So in that case, tap on the copy button, copy all of the phrases and store it somewhere else safe. Once you copy the phrases, go back and make sure that you are in this page over here. In order to log out, simply swipe your wallet towards the left hand side and in the pop-up that asks you if you want to delete this wallet, tap on delete. Now, to log in back again, you can go ahead and paste in the recovery phrases that you just copied before logging out. Tap on I already have a wallet tap on your multi-coin wallet option at the top and paste in the recovery phrases. Now tap import, and that way you'll be able to log back in to your Trust wallet using your iPhone. Tap OK and start using. That is how you can easily log out of your Trust wallet application if you are done using the application for the day. In order to connect Trust wallet to Uniswap exchange, tap open your web browser. You can open up Safari or Chrome. Since I'm using my iPhone, I'm gonna open up my Safari. Once you open it up, type in app.uniswap.org and search. Here, in the Uniswap website, click on Connect Wallet button. You'll be able to see 3 different wallets displayed in the pop-up. The wallet includes Wallet Connect, Open in Coinbase Wallet, and Fortmatic. Tap on the Wallet Connect button. Now, in the pop-up, you'll be able to see a list of wallets that you can choose from. Here, just tap on the Trust button to connect to Trust wallet, and once you are, tap on Connect. Now with this, you'll be able to connect Trust wallet to Uniswap. You can find it by navigating to the Settings button at the bottom right-hand corner from the homepage of Trust wallet and tap on Wallet Connect. Now, select Uniswap interface. And as you can see that the Uniswap interface has been connected with your Trust wallet. That is how it is done. Uniswap is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to swap Ethereum for other tokens. You can also connect other types of wallets such as MetaMask and Wallet Connect to the Uniswap exchange. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect Trust wallet from Uniswap. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your Trust wallet application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged in. Once you are, tap on the Settings button in the lower right-hand corner. This will bring up your settings menu. Tap on Wallet Connect from the options and tap on the Uniswap interface. At the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see a Disconnect button. Tap it on in order to disconnect from Uniswap on Trust wallet. It is that simple. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.